All right, what is going on, guys? Paul James here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about 3 ways that are the most passive ways to make money online. In fact, I personally use these 3 ways to make more than $100 per day. So if you're looking for new ways to expand what you're doing, make some more money, something that's not gonna take up all of your time, then these are definitely 3 strategies you wanna pay attention to. Some of them do take a little more setup time than others, but once they're set up, you're good to go because then you're making passive income. So when I say passive income, I don't mean that you don't have to do any work. It does take setup work, but once set up, then you're making the passive income. So we're gonna jump into this. Each method, I personally make more than $100 a day with. So it's just kind of something to look forward to once you actually dive in, get your hands dirty, and you start putting in the work. You can look forward to hopefully making some good money to yourself. Of course, this isn't guaranteed. You'll have to, see what you can do with it, but I'm just gonna share with you what's working for me. Before we get started, I do wanna mention that I've put a link in the description of this video to a free advanced training below. You don't have to opt in to watch the video. You can just watch it, after you're done with this one if you want. And basically it's a more in-depth tutorial to get started. I'd recommend watching it after you watch this video because this video is going to give you the foundation and the framework. And you can go on and you can learn more if you want to after this video is over. A lot of you have probably been wondering where the heck I've been. It's been like 2 months since I uploaded a video. I saw in our Facebook group, which by the way, if you're not a member of the Facebook group, I'll leave a link below to join that too. It's called Digital Marketing Incubator. A lot of people were like, hey Paul, I really miss your YouTube videos. I enjoyed watching them. So what have I been up to? Well, I've been working. YouTube's not really my main thing. It's not really the way that I make my money, but I do enjoy doing YouTube. So I'm glad to be back and I'm glad that to hear a lot of you guys enjoy my videos. So thank you for that. Also, I purchased another real estate investment, so I've been busy with that. Maybe I'll share some more in future videos about that. I've also been a little bit sick. You can hear I've been kind of a lot of sick, just not really that sick, but just never ending sickness basically. And it's kind of been affecting my voice, coughing and stuff. So just not fun filming videos when your voice is like that. And yeah, if you've missed me, leave me a comment below. Let me know if you've missed my videos, if you've missed seeing me on YouTube. And if I get a lot of replies, I'll try and do more of them. But anyways, let's dive into it. So if you don't want to miss an update, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, make sure you like the video, all that good stuff. That's how I know that you're enjoying the content. So 3 most passive ways. I'll be sharing my most favorite way towards the end of the video. So definitely make sure that you watch all the way through. Otherwise, you're going to miss something. I don't want you to miss anything. I put this as strategy number 1. It is affiliate marketing. Let me explain to you the best way to do it because I know you may have heard of affiliate marketing before. Maybe you've even tried it before. Let me share with you the way that I do it and the way that I recommend you do it too, especially if you're just starting. All right, so the process of affiliate marketing is basically going and finding a product, whether it be even a physical product. You can sign up to a physical affiliate marketing using Amazon and share products that you use on, your YouTube channel or whatever. Like for example, I might say I'm recording this on a certain microphone and I want to share that with you, the microphone. I could do that in the form of an affiliate link and I would get a commission when you buy it. But one of my favorite ways to do affiliate marketing is with digital products. And I like to go after real digital products that I actually use. And for example, one of the tools I use is called Jasper. It used to be called Jarvis. Then before that was called Conversion AI. Apparently they're having a little commitment issues with the name, but anyways, it's basically like an AI content writer. And because I enjoy this tool so much, it's one of the tools we use when we build out websites for ourselves, when we build out websites for clients. We use this tool to help write the content. And my assistants and our team use it as well. It's just great. So I can then go and film a video recommending this tool or share this with friends, and I basically make a commission, an affiliate commission for sharing something that I just genuinely love and use. So if you're going to do affiliate marketing, this would be the way that I'd recommend you do it. Go out there, find something that you really like, and then you can go and film YouTube videos sharing about the tool, what you like about it, or you can do, Facebook Lives or create a blog and talk about it that way. Just any way that you like to share something. But that's the key, is you really want to share what you like about it, what's unique about it, what you do with it. Once that's out in the world, it's there forever. And people just, keep buying through your affiliate link, you keep making money, and it's just a win-win scenario. All right, so now we know way number one. Let's dive into way number two, strategy number two. And this is something that I've been doing more recently within the last few months. I've been having a lot of fun with it. It's called NFT staking. Okay, now I know a lot of you guys you've probably heard me talk about NFTs. I know some of you like them, some of you don't, but hear me out on this one. NFT staking is the process of buying an NFT and then staking it. It basically means committing not to sell it. And in return, you earn some form of token back, like a cryptocurrency back for staking it. And this is a great way, just by holding holding an NFT, where you actually make money, because you can take that cryptocurrency token and then you can then go and sell it for real money, like US dollar, which is really, really cool. Now, as I mentioned, this one is a little bit more new to me. It's something that I've been doing, I would say, within the past like several months, but I've been making a lot of money doing it. And there's a couple of different projects out there. I'm not going to give any recommendations per se on projects, but I'll just share with you some examples of projects. So for example, with this project right now, they have like a game going on where you can join a team inside the game, and then you can stake your assets like your sheep or your wolves, and then you earn a prize back, which is a token called Wool Token, just for staking it. Okay, now here's another one, just another example. This one's called Swampverse. And for Swampverse, it's not really a game, but you can stake your NFT, which are these like little frog things. You can stake them and then they earn something called Krokens, which is like their token that they give you back. Now, currently, they don't let you do anything with those tokens, but in the future, they're going to let you do something with the tokens. I think trade it in for something, or potentially even have a liquidity pool so you can cash those tokens out, which is going to be kind of cool. And then this is a newer one as well. This one doesn't really have tokens per se, but they do have like a game coming out where there's going to be some form of token inside that game, I think, which is going to be kind of cool as well. So that's what NFT staking is. And like I said, it's something newer that I've been doing, but so far I've been having a lot of fun with it. Let's get into strategy number three. Now, I've told you about strategy number one. I've told you about strategy number two, which is the staking. And let's talk about strategy number three, which is digital real estate. And this is really my bread and butter. It's what I've gotten really, really good at. And it's what my training is about in the description of this video if you want to learn more about it. So this is an example of digital real estate. Basically, you put up a generic website in a city or town for a certain niche. In this case, it's roofing. And every time someone comes and they need a new roof, they call your phone number or they fill out your form. You take that person's information and you sell it to a roofing contractor that is in the area. So in this example, we would get $50 every time someone comes here, fills out their information or calls, and then we send that over to a roofer. They pay us $50, whether or not they get the job or not, just for sending the recommendation their way. So we call this digital real estate because literally every single site that we build, it's like a location on the internet that's going to continue to make us money in the future. I also call this lead generation or lead gen. You may have heard me refer to it as that in the past. This is one of my favorite ways to make money, and once it's set up, it's just very, very passive too, which is great. So now that you know my three ways that I personally use to make passive income and my experiences with them, what is my favorite method? Like I said, it's digital real estate, aka lead gen. So would you like to get started today? If so, I've put that link below to get started and basically expand your knowledge, expand more information on this topic for free. You can just go and check it out. I just wanted to put something together. I think you'll really enjoy it. So check it out. Let me know what you think. And I've taught this strategy to a lot of people like Ron, who wrote in and said that he sent 19 leads. He got 15 billed as qualified leads, and he got paid $520 today. So very, very awesome. I love when I see stuff like that. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, comment what strategy you like best below so that I know what to talk about more of on the channel, and subscribe. Don't forget to smash that like button if you want to see more content like this and if you enjoyed this video. Anyways, guys, until next time, I'll see you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.